In this session, we will understand about GPT a bit more in detail. Before looking at GPT, let's relook at ChatGPT from a technology perspective. Essentially, GPT or ChatGPT is a language model. Okay, it uses natural language processing tasks such as text generation and language translation. This natural language processing or NLP is a stream of artificial intelligence technology. Okay. So GPT is a language model and it uses natural language processing technology. Okay. And ChatGPT is based on the GPT-3 model. Okay. What do you mean by 3? It is the third generation of the generative pre-trained transformer model. Okay, which is one of the most advanced language models that is currently available. So ChatGPT uses the very latest in artificial intelligence as far as natural language processing or NLP is concerned. Okay, so that brings us to the question, what then is GPT? Okay, GPT is an autoregressive language model, right? Please note that it is a language model that uses deep learning to produce human-like text. Okay, the objective is to produce human-like text. It's been fairly successful, which is why you and I are talking about ChatGPT. Okay, it uses natural language processing technology and in particular deep learning. What then is deep learning, right? You may be aware, you may not be aware about it. To answer that question, I want to ask a fundamental one. What is AI? Okay, it's a very fundamental question, right? AI or artificial intelligence, the objective is to bring human level intelligence, to bring human intelligence into software. Okay, that is the aim of artificial intelligence, right? Wants to bring human intelligence to software. Are we successful in this or not? Let's keep the question open for the time being. Okay. Please note this particular piece of software can reside inside a hardware. Okay. A software can reside inside a hardware. Okay. But AI is essentially a software. Please note that. Artificial intelligence, we are essentially talking about your software. We are trying to bring human intelligence into that system, right? This brings me to another interesting topic that is relevant to ChatGPT, which is known as strong AI versus weak AI. Weak AI is the dominant mode of AI today. This operates by detecting patterns. Okay, it detects useful patterns in a given data set and then it uses these patterns to predict the future, right? This is what happens in most of the AI deployments today. What then is strong AI? Strong AI is what you see in movies. Okay, humanoids. What do we see in movies? We see humanoids, right? What do humanoids do? Human-like robots. They exhibit emotions. Emotions like anger, jealousy, love, and so many emotions those humanoids exhibit, right? Now, the question is whether ChatGPT is strong AI or weak AI. Let's also keep that question open. I will let you go through the remainder of the course and decide for yourself. I will definitely try to answer this question towards the end of the course. Please note again that weak AI is the dominant mode of AI today. Okay, this is what is being used in industries. All the prediction services, you predict defaulters in a bank, defaulters in a credit card, that is weak AI. You predict when your equipment will fail, equipment in a factory will fail, that is again weak AI. can I forecast the future sales? That is weak AI, right? So industry is adopting weak AI in a big way. Don't think that weak AI is really weak. It is only to make the distinction between human-like systems in strong AI that we are calling the current mode of AI as weak AI. Okay, weak AI is solving many different problems in the world of business and society. Okay. However, strong AI is the ultimate aim of artificial intelligence. What is the aim of artificial intelligence? To create systems, to create software that mimics human intelligence fully, right? That's what we see in movies, right? So these are the two branches of AI. Strong AI is also called as artificial general intelligence or artificial super intelligence. Okay. We are asking the question whether ChatGPT is artificial general intelligence, whether ChatGPT is really strong AI, right? So please keep this question in your mind as you go through the rest of the program, right? Now, what then is deep learning versus machine learning? If you really see, GPT uses deep learning. This is the core technology. What is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? Okay, you might have possibly heard the word machine learning a lot more. You know, that depends on what kind of work you do. Okay, if you are already a technical person, you should be conversant with these terminologies, right? Now, while AI is the objective, right? AI is an overarching objective, more like a vision statement, right? We want to make systems to be like humans. So that is like a vision statement. That's like an objective. So the technology that drives AI is known as machine learning. Okay. The core technology that drives AI is machine learning. And deep learning, which I'm calling it as DL, is the more advanced form of machine learning. Okay. Machine learning predominantly works on data that is in the form of rows and columns. Okay. Like what you have in Excel file. Let's say you have employee number, employee name, age. Okay. If you have a record like this, right? If you have a record like this, if you have a table like this, if you have an Excel file like this, it is best handled using ML technology. Deep learning is useful to handle images, okay, PDF documents, MP4 files, the video files, the text related, emails, text related documents. So all these kind of data are better handled with deep learning, and that's what GPT does, right? So GPT is essentially a language model, okay, that wants to produce human-like text, and it uses deep learning. Okay, this is the most advanced and the current form of the transformer technology. Okay, the third generation, which is why we are calling it as GPT-3. Okay,